Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, resistance welding process. And let me introduce myself. Myself Kapil Kumar. I am assistant professor, mechanical engineering department, IIIT Gorakhpur, and that's my contact details. Okay, so let's start. So what is a resistance welding? Okay, so before means coming to this resistance welding, let me define or let me classify the welding process. Okay, so welding is basically classified in two major categories. One is known as fusion welding and second is known as pressure welding. Okay, when you talk about fusion welding, fusion is basically means melting. Okay, means you have some kind of melting in the welding or in the joint to be made. For example, all the electric arc welding processes, you can say GMAW, gas metal arc welding, GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding, submerged arc welding. Okay, then electro slag welding process. These all come in the category of this fusion welding process. Some advanced welding processes are also there, like laser and electron beam. Okay, so in these all kind of welding process, you have this joint formation by the fusion alone. Okay, means you are going to join two plates. Suppose there is one plate and another plate, 1 and 2, and you need to join them. So you will make this groove and you will fill here the metal by the melting. Okay, so you can use any of the welding process like GMAW, GTW or SAW, okay, to make the joint. In the second category, which is known as the pressure welding process, so in pressure welding process, what is there is a means application of pressure. A considerable amount of pressure is applied for the joint to be made, and the example of this kind of welding, one is known as friction welding process. Okay, then you have the resistance welding, then you also have explosive welding, and you also have diffusion bonding or diffusion welding. Okay, diffusion bonding or welding. Okay, so all this kind of weld is known as pressure welding process because there is an application of pressure for the joining of the two plates, or you can say two rod or two material pieces. Okay, so one of them, that is the resistance welding process, and we are going to discuss about this resistance welding process. So resistance welding process is a type of pressure welding process, but there are also some involvement of fusion at the interface. Okay, because we are saying that in fusion welding process there is melting or melting of the material, the filler metal, the base metal. In pressure welding process there may be or may not be fusion. Okay, in some pressure welding process there is fusion, and some pressure welding process there is no fusion at all. Like if you talk about explosive welding, there is zero fusion. Okay, in diffusion bonding there is zero fusion, means no fusion at all. The welding is made alone by the pressure. Okay, nothing, no filler, no fusion is there, alone pressure is applied to make the weld. In case of friction welding and resistance welding, there is fusion, and with fusion you apply the pressure and make the weld or make the joint. Okay, so we will continue about this process. Resistance welding process, you have different kind of process like spot welding, seam welding, projection welding. Okay, and all these kind of process work on the similar or same mechanism. What is the mechanism? We will come to know. The material to be joined is clamped between the two electrodes and a high current is applied. So this is very important. High current means what is the value? How much current? So it is typically 10,000 ampere. Okay, so much high current is applied to make the weld. And why we need this high amount of current, that will come to know. Okay, we need this high amount of current because of this resistance heating, because we need this resistance heating. So what is this resistance heating? Resistance heating means if you pass a current in any electrode. Okay, if you pass a current, so suppose this is the electrode of any material and you pass the current. Okay, so there is some resistance of this electrode which may be R. The amount of current passed is I. Okay, so the heat generated in passing the current is I square R. and if you pass the current for t time, okay, t time may be in seconds, okay, and I in ampere and R in ohm. So the heat generated will be I square R into T. So this amount of heat is generated. Okay. So this is the reason why we need this high amount of current, because it is I square. Okay. So 10,000 square and then R, because R is only few ohm. Okay. Because you cannot increase the value of R too much. You can increase it up to a limit, but not too much. But you can increase R. Sorry, you can increase I. So that's why it is I square R into T, and T is a fraction of second. So in fraction of second you will have, or you will have the means amount of heat required for the joint to be made. Okay, and basically by using this weld we join sheets or thin sheets, not very means thick pieces. You can be welded by this process. You only join thick sheet of few millimeter, 1 millimeter to 2 millimeter, you can join by this process. Okay, how this process work? This process work by means we can discuss by using this setup. This is a setup for a spot weld, resistance spot weld. Okay, here we have a transformer, and all the electric welding process basically has a transformer, because you by using this transformer you will obtain the required amount of ampere is required. Okay, so here it is around 10,000. You have electrodes, the upper one and the lower one, and you have two plates to be joined, plate 1 and plate 2. Okay, so when you pass the current, and before passing the current basically you apply some pressure. Okay, you apply some pressure to hold the plates firmly at a point, and then you pass the current for a very few time, or you can say milliseconds. Okay, for very few means small time you pass the current, and after when you pass the current you will have this required amount of heat generated at this interface. Okay, at the same time you increase the pressure value and the joint will be made. Then you stop the current and take these electrodes apart and move the plate. Okay, so this is the simple way for means making this spot weld, resistance spot weld. Okay, and in this way you can make number of welds. Okay, means you can move the plates in this direction and number of welds can be made. Okay, one weld can be made at this point, sorry, one weld can be made at this point, and suppose this plate is has this length, considerable length, so number of welds can be made. Okay, by using the same parameter, right? So what is the features of this resistance welding? The features are very interesting, because the process is very simple, or you can say very simple equipment is required for this process. No complicated equipment is required, because there is no means post cleaning is not required in this welding like you required in so much of electric welding. And for pre cleaning you need to clean the surface you are going to join. That is the basic requirement. It is easily and normally automated. This welding can be very easily automated. Okay, because automation is the very much means demand of today's industries. So this process can be automated very easily. Once the welding process, welding parameters are established, it should be possible to produce repeatable welds for a relatively long production runs. Okay, means you want to join a very wide, or you can say very long sheet. Okay, so you can make a number of welds. Okay, once you establish the welding parameter, number of welds can be made. Okay, it means you can make number of welds in very short amount of time, in few minutes. Okay, in few minutes you can make number of welds. Okay, so what is the application of this welding? The major application of this process is in joining sheet steels in automotive industry. Okay, and few application in white good manufacturing industry. White good manufacturing industry means the industry which manufacture air conditioner, okay, refrigerator, okay, and then washing machines. Okay, so these are the few application of this resistance welding. Thank you very much.